Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to add a credit card to your Disney app so you can make purchases quickly and securely. Let's get started. First, open the Disney app on your computer or mobile device and sign in with your account credentials. Once logged in, tap on the profile or account icon. Next, navigate to payment methods or billing information in your account settings. Here, you'll see options to add, edit, or remove payment methods. Now, tap Add Credit Card and carefully enter your card details. This includes your card number, expiry date, CVV, and billing address associated with the card. After entering your details, tap Save or Add Card to confirm. The app may ask you to verify your card with a one-time code sent by your bank. Once verified, your credit card will be linked to your Disney account. You can now use it for subscriptions, in-app purchases, or ticket bookings directly within the app. And that's it. Adding a credit card to the Disney app is simple, secure, and fast when you follow these steps. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.